Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the HEAPETS Large Home Smart Pet Air Purifier. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as you get this out of the box, comes obviously wrapped. Does come with a filter, kind of an extra foamy filter. I don't know if that's going to have to be placed inside or not. We'll talk about that, but just letting you know that came on the outside, kind of taped on. So just be aware of that. There was no tape holding it up. So as soon as I pulled out of the box, out of this, it was like that. So let's get it unwrapped. So underneath is the instruction manual as well as power cable. Power cable is just going to go right into the back here. It does have a carry handle. There's no rollers or anything like that. And we'll go ahead and take the front off because I'm assuming that's where our filter is. So there we go. So make sure that we remove that because otherwise it's not going to be very effective if we don't get that in. And so please note that it does have directions on which side this goes in. So we'll go ahead and get that removed. Again, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be in there on the front or not. Doesn't look like there's anything on the back for removal. So I'm going to check my instructions and take that from there. All right, so with the quick start guide here, it does kind of explain that that will go right in the front. And it will magnet in, which is nice. So your guide kind of walks you through removing it, putting it in there, and then turning it on. All that stuff is in there nicely. Please also note that there is an app download, and I'm covering up the QR code, Wi-Fi connections, all that stuff. I'm not going to demonstrate that stuff because it can be complicated at times to try and set up depending on your phone. Usually, easy for me, but I've gotten complaints that it's not as easy for others. So I try to avoid setting up apps and stuff like that. But it does have timing, Wi-Fi, cleaning and maintenance, all that stuff. But I do also want to kind of walk you through that it does have, operating instructions that kind of walk you through the fan speed, timer, sleep mode, a sterilized mode, which is really really cool, and then of course pet lock and everything. So I'm not even sure what Anion means. I'm going to actually have to look that up. Not sure. All right, so I got it plugged in, and so we'll kind of just hit that button. Now, the Anion button is an ion stabilizer, I guess. I don't even know. Basically, it's to remove static cling and stuff like that in the air, static in the air. So it's an ion stabilizer or something along those lines. But really cool. So as mentioned, we got our speed, our clock, our night function, sleep function, which is really important, a sterilize function. Hold this for 3 seconds for a pet lock. And then, of course, to turn off your pet lock, you have to hold it for 3 seconds. That's really nice, actually. So it'll kind of, you won't be able to do anything until you hold that for 3 seconds, just in case your cat, dog, whatever, touches that. Got your Anion button, sterilize button, different speeds, 1, 2, 3, and basically your main level. You can do 1 hour, 2 hour, up to 12-hour timer. And of course, to me, the best thing is to sleep because I like to sleep in a very dark room. So this thing is really, really cool. And of course, you'll have your green light on the front showing you everything is good. And then it's just measuring your PM 2.5, basically your air quality. So this thing looks great. To me, it's important. I have a dog, and I have a couple myself and my daughter. Big allergies, so any kind of pet hair stuff like that
especially cats, is brutal for me. So having something simple like this, where is cleaning the air, is amazing. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review's helped you, and thanks for watching.